I want us to look at these two algebraic expressions, a squared plus b squared and the square of a plus b. Now, just looking at those two expressions, we might almost think they're the same. We almost might think that, oh, can't we just distribute that square to both of those letters? So it would be the same as a squared plus b squared? Well, let's see. All we have to do is find one instance where it doesn't work, where a squared plus b squared is not equal to the square of a plus b. All we have to do is find one example where it doesn't work, and that proves that it's not true. So let's evaluate those two expressions with a being 3 and b being 5. So we make our substitutions. Let's evaluate the left-hand expression first. That'll be 3 squared plus 5 squared. Exponentiation has precedence over addition. 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25. Remember, 3 squared means the 3 is written down twice and multiplied. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 squared means 5 times 5, 25. And that would give us 34. Let's evaluate this expression with a being 3 and b being 5. Now, in this instance, we have parentheses with an operation inside the parentheses. Remember, that takes precedence. Remember our order of operations: parentheses, exponentiation, multiplications, divisions, left to right, additions and subtractions, left to right. So we have to do the addition before we do the exponentiation. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 squared is 8 written down twice and multiplied. That's 8 times 8 is 64. And those two quantities are not equal. So we have to say, since we found one place it doesn't work, we have to say that a squared plus b squared is not equal to the square of a plus b. Can you find a pair of numbers where it would work? Give that as a little assignment, those of you who are viewing this video. See if you can find a pair of numbers where a squared plus b squared gives you the same answer as the square of a plus b. In fact, if you find one, I might even think about giving you a little extra credit on our next assignment. That should make it worth your while to think about it a little bit. Maybe while you're watching the football game that's coming up this weekend.